Hello everyone and welcome to Camming with Bella Marie. In this video, we'll be going over the do's and don'ts when choosing your webcam model name. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload upcoming videos. Pens and papers, class is in session. Number 1 rule when creating your webcam model profile name: never use your legal name. When creating your profile and choosing your model name, think about your privacy. You always want to protect yourself. And because you can literally find anything on the web these days, all someone needs is your first and last name to look you up. So to prevent things like this from happening, keep far away from your legal first and last name as your model name. Think of your model name as being your alter ego, and an alter ego distinct from a person's normal or true original personality. Paint an illusion for your customer that spends money in your chat room, meaning you don't want your customer having to greet you as something like 24/7 Deep Throat Betty. Because first of all, the customers are always going to think that's all you have to offer is deep throat 24/7. Secondly, it'll be hard to maintain a regular, non-sexual chat with the customer because all he's thinking about is you showing him your deep throat. I suggest you think of yourself as a girl next door when choosing a name. Do's and don'ts. Do. Be creative when choosing your model name. It's okay to have a name like Ashley or Nicole, Brandy, or Harmony. These names sound realistic. Then you can go with a defying or descriptive word such as Ray, like a ray of sunshine for the last name. You can even get a little more creative and add an E on the back of Ray to make it Ray. Let's try it out. Ashley Ray or Nicole Ray. See how authentic that sounds? It just flows right off the tongue. It's also easy for a customer to remember. Don'ts. Referring back to the above article, you don't want your customer having a one-track mind when it comes to buying a show from you. Although you will be camming on a sex site, you want sex to be the last thing they're thinking about once they start a paid show with you. And with a name like Bang My Boobs, that's exactly what they're thinking about when the show starts. Now, if this is the way you choose to brand yourself, then by all means. But I personally would stay away and keep a unique and first and last name approach. And that, my friends, is the do's and don'ts when choosing your cam model name. Thanks again for watching Camming with Bella Marie. Please take a moment to subscribe and turn on your notification button for upcoming videos that I upload.